This learning is Leili Nishmas Bruria Bas Chananya, Maseches Sheviis, Perek Mishna Aleph. Shalosh Aratzis La Sheviis. There are three different lands when it comes to Sheviis. So the Yidden conquered the land of Eretz Yisrael twice. Once in the days of Yeshua, and then later once in the days of Ezra after coming back to build the second base of Mikdash. Now the Kedusha of Eretz Yisrael that happened in the days of Yeshua did not last. However, the Kedusha that happened in the days of Ezra did last. And nevertheless, the Kedusha of Yeshua still has some significance. And so the Mishnah explains, Kol Shech Ziku Eile Bavel, all the lands that the Eile Bavel conquered in the days of Ezra, which is Me'eretz Yisrael, Va'ad Ksiv, which is from the south of Eretz Yisrael, all the way to Ksiv in the north. So all of that is fully Eretz Yisrael, and therefore, Lei Nechol V'loi Nevad, the produce cannot be eaten after the time of beer, and the land can't be worked at all. V'chol shehichziku Eile Mitzrayim, and all the lands that the Eile Mitzrayim conquered, which is Miksiv v'ad Hanar v'ad Amona. So basically, Ksiv is a little portion that juts out in the north of Eretz Yisrael, and that's the mountain in the north that Ezra conquered. However, the Eile Mitzrayim also conquered from that part that juts out to the west to the water, to the Nahar, and also to the east to Lamona. So what we have over here is something that juts out, that comes out of the rest of Eretz Yisrael, let's say. And then we have a portion over here of land that comes out to two sides that was also conquered by the Eile Mitzrayim. So those additional portions that were conquered by the Eile Mitzrayim and not by the Eile Bavel, so that is Nechol. It could still be eaten after the time of beer. Avalei Nevad, but you can't work the land because we treat it like it's Eretz Yisrael when it comes to the Isser of working the land on Sheviis. And the Mishnah concludes, and further north of those areas which are outside of Eretz Yisrael, Nechol v'nevad, it's not part of Eretz Yisrael at all for anything, and therefore you could eat the produce after the time of beer, and the person's allowed to work the land on Sheviis.